Just wanted to show you guys the largest Cuptisserie that I've assembled yet. This one has a single base unit in the center, which has the motor mount plate, the two dual shafts, and then the add-on shaft here. And then I have on each end two add-on shafts. So here's a single unit, and here's another single unit, and then on the other end a single unit and a single unit. And I was trying to load this thing with my fingers earlier just to see how much I could stress this thing. And I can't stop it with my index finger and thumb. So, anyways, I think I can add more shafts to it, but I am not going to build any more single add-ons because I don't need that many shafts. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe because I have more videos coming. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.